How to fix Windows 11 keeps setting the wrong time and zone and location. Hey guys, and let's get started. The issue with the Windows 11's time and effect could be because of automatic settings or sometimes sync issue. So here are two ways by which you can fix this. The very first one would be syncing the clock on Windows 11. For this, you have to go to the time and language on your device or Windows 11. To do so, right click on the start button and go to settings. Once the settings is open, on the left side panel, you must see time and language. Just tap open it and it will take you to another page. From here, select the first option, which is date and time. Make sure the set time automatically is toggled on. If it's already on, toggle it off once and then turn back on. Manually set the time zone if necessary by selecting the correct time zone from your drop-down menu. Additionally, you have to click on the sync now to synchronize your time with the correct time zone. After this, you should be able to fix the issue. Sometimes the issue could also be in Outlook or other apps. So for this, you just have to go to the calendar option from the specific app such as Outlook, scroll to the time zones and ensure that the time zone in the Outlook matches the time zone in the Windows itself. Click on OK, restart your computer and confirm the changes. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.